There are many things to do in real estate. You could be a realtor, obviously, which represents buyers, sellers, and investors. But they represent those people. You could be an investor, which is somebody who basically buys property, flips it, buys it to hold, buys it to just make money on. And there's levels to investing. There's the long-term person who's holding. There's somebody who's flipping. There's somebody who likes renovation. There's somebody who likes building. There's somebody who likes land. There's somebody who just wants to find deals and wholesale them, bird dog them off, right? So there's many levels to this when it comes to investing. You can get in on the work side as an escrow agent, somebody who deals with tax liens. You could get in as an appraiser. You can get in as an inspector. You can get in as a mortgage loan officer. If you're looking to get in and work it, no matter what capacity, you really want to start with what do you want? What is it that you want?